So do you also wish that whenever you receive the new lead details, automatically the lead details should be added in your Airtable base? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you that how you can create this amazing automation where whenever you're going to receive a new lead, automatically the lead details will be added in your Airtable as a new record, and further your sales team can have all the lead details in a single database. So to do this, you just have to open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free in your Airtable, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And if you want a very good discount while purchasing the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use that discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on your subscription of Pabbly Connect. And yes, now we are in the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we're going to receive this webhook URL, so we just have to copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads campaign. Now in this campaign, I am just going to add the lead form because the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen using that lead form only. So as you can see that this is the campaign, and in this campaign I am just going to add the lead form. So for that I'm just going to scroll and I'm going to see this option for see more. So just click on this and you're going to see the option of lead form. So let's click on this add lead form button. Now in this lead form I'm just going to select the details as first name, last name, email and phone number. I'm just only collecting these much details because the less number of details you collect, the more likely it is to get more leads filling in the form. Because what happens is, like when the user fills in this form and if they have a lot of questions, they might get distracted or it may get boring and they might not submit the form. So I'll suggest you just keep the to the point questions, like just ask for the contact details, and once you receive the contact details you can contact them and further ask for the rest of the details. So it is very simple. Alright, so I've just asked for the name, email and phone number, and I'm just going to collect this details only, and for that I'm just going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that I'm just going to go towards this lead delivery option. Now it is asking for the webhook URL, so I'm just going to paste the webhook URL which I copied from the workflow. For the key, I'm just going to enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, which is the test data. And now once we capture the response, you're going to see this is the phone number, email and the name. Now you have two options. The first option is create the automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads, what I am doing. The second option you have is recapture webhook response, and then you can capture the details of your real leads right over here and create the automation using those lead details. I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this add new action step, and now you have to search for Airtable. So type Airtable and select Airtable right over here. For the event you have to select it as create record and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Airtable. Make sure that you've logged in your Airtable account before starting with the automation, and once you click on this connect with Airtable, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So now you have two options. First of all, you have to select the base for which you want to give the permission. The another option which you have is that you can give the permission for all the bases, which is the current and the future bases. So if you want to select the base, just select the base. Otherwise, just click on this add all resources and all the current and the future bases permissions will be given. I'm just going to select the particular base for which I want to create this automation and click on this grant access, and now my Airtable is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, I have to select the base name and the table name, and then one by one I have to enter the lead details right over here. Once I enter the lead details right over here, it will be added in my Airtable enable automatically. Alright, so one by one I'm just going to enter the lead details, but we are not going to enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see that I have mapped the details of my lead right over here, and after mapping all of these details, it is saying enable typecasting. So I'm just going to keep it as false. Because if typecasting is enabled, it allows you to forcefully create an option with the past value in multiple choice type fields. Alright, now I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, and once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Airtable. And you're going to see the details have been added, be it the first name, last name, email or phone number. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details will be added in my Airtable database, and all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now I've created this connection using Google Ads, but you can use any another platform too, and if you want a video dedicated towards the same, you can ask that in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.